Hello, don't skip this video for just a second. Why not think to yourself that if you watch this video, it might save you several dollars, and with the money you were planning to spend on this, you could buy something else instead. I'm here to teach you the easiest and most straightforward way to tint car windows. Just give me 3 or 4 minutes of your time and watch this video with interest and enjoyment. If you don't like it, feel free to move on. But if you do like it, make sure to subscribe, because on this channel I teach the best and simplest methods for tinting side windows, rear windows, and even the windshield. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is purchase the tint film you want online, based on your desired percentage, and then follow along with me step by step according to the video. After the package arrives, place the film on the desired window as shown in the video, and trim the excess from the left, right, and top edges of the glass using a sharp blade, as shown in the image. Now we come to the most sensitive part of installing window tint, the cleaning stage. Before applying the film, you must thoroughly clean the inside of the windows, so that when you place the film on the glass, there are no dust particles or dirt trapped underneath. Remember that along with purchasing the car window tint film, you will also need a blade, a spray bottle, and a gel squeegee. Remember that along with purchasing the car window tint film, you will also need a blade, a spray bottle, and a gel squeegee. Now, as shown in the video, with the help of a friend, peel the plastic off the film and spray the solution on it. Spray the solution both on the window and on the tint film you're about to apply. Make sure the film goes about 1 centimeter under the window edge so that the bottom of the film doesn't lift. Now, as shown in the video, use the gel squeegee to completely remove all the water from underneath the film. Now, use the blade to trim the excess film from the top. This is called edge finishing. You need to do it carefully so that over time, as the window moves up and down, the edges don't peel. Now, place the plastic squeegee under a soft cloth and carefully remove the water from the top edges of the film. Congratulations! You are now a professional at installing car window tint. Be sure to share this video with your friends so they can become experts like you too.